Everyone, hope you are fine. In my today's video, I will show you about the hidden space in your device Nothing Phone 1. So if in this device, if you want to enable the feature or you want to use the feature of the hidden space, or if you want to hide the apps from your main home screen to the hidden space, you can easily do it by the method I will show you. So before we start it, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch complete video, and you will learn how you can use the hidden space option in your device. Let's watch it.